Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce family law conflicts with familylawrights.net beginner guide step by step clearly. Understanding family law can be overwhelming, but reducing conflicts is possible. Start by identifying the core issues causing disputes. Open communication is essential. Encourage all family members to express their feelings openly and honestly. Listen actively to each person's perspective without interruption. Consider seeking mediation services if communication is strained. Mediators can facilitate discussions and help find common ground. Educate yourself on family law and your specific rights. Visit familylawrights.net to access valuable resources and information. Familiarize yourself with local laws relevant to your situation. Create a plan that outlines your goals and the best-case scenarios for resolution. Encourage collaboration among family members to foster teamwork. Remember to prioritize the well-being of children throughout the process. Keep the dialogue respectful and maintain a focus on solutions. Seek legal advice if conflicts escalate beyond manageable levels. A qualified attorney can provide guidance tailored to your specific situation. Document all discussions and agreements to keep a clear record. Regularly review the agreements to ensure compliance and address any new issues. Be willing to adjust your approach as circumstances change. Consider professional therapy or counseling to address underlying issues. Stay calm and composed, even when tensions rise. Practice patience and understanding as you navigate this journey together. By following these steps, you can effectively minimize family law conflicts and work toward a healthier family dynamic. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.